Hi, we're at SLE Equipment, Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at 8.5 by 30 hybrid enclosed trailer. At the front we do have an extended tongue with the generator box that is fully lined on the outside with the silver ATP. This hybrid also is lined along the border and tip of the V-nose with the silver ATP. Coming to the passenger side of the enclosed portion, this trailer does have a side door with a bar, an RV lock. Going inside your trailer, there is a step up. Have your lock from the inside. This enclosed portion does measure 10 feet long. There is a 50 amp electrical package with a heavy duty power system, 4 120 V receptacles, this trailer does have triangle D-rings along the front of your trailer. There are 6 D-rings positioned on your floor, as well as 2 more D-rings at the back of the enclosed portion. There are 2 plug outlets at the front and rear of the trailer, totaling 4 plug outlets in the entire enclosed. There's a light switch by your door for the 2 LED strip lights on your roof. The enclosed portion does have a 9.5 interior height, as well as a passenger side 15 by 30 slide window. Your side entry door does measure 36 inches. Coming outside the trailer, there is a 20-foot utility deck with 1-foot mesh siding. This trailer does have 2 7,000-pound axles on 16-inch rims and tires. There are teardrop aluminum fenders. Coming to the rear of our trailer, there is a rear loading gate that is held up with our spring latch system. This trailer does have LED brake lights as well. This trailer has pressure treated wood flooring. This hybrid does have a gray screwed exterior. Once again, there is a 20-foot deck, a 10-foot enclosed portion, as well as a lockable generator box. You have a front electrical hookup. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 30 hybrid enclosed utility trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.